Here I have Motorola Moto G42, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So for this operation you will need this kind of tool to eject the SIM card and SD card slot, which is located right here. So what you do, you just insert this tool inside the hole next to the slot. This slot pops out. So here you can set up SD card and here SIM card, and then put it into your device just like this. So as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is to prove that SIM card is detected. And also there's a notification that issues with Android SD card, which is to prove that SD card is also detected because it found some issues with it. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.